Hey guys, it's Sam here with WTI. If you have a little one, then you probably know all about the Frida brand here. I have here the NoseFrida Saline Mist. So this can be used with any of their other booger products, or it can be used on its own. I like it because it is just water and sodium chloride, so it is safe to go into a baby of any age, really. Another thing I really like about this is that it has this little cutout here. I don't know if you can see it, but it has that little indent there that makes it so that you can't push it too far into your baby's nose. It's going to stop before it goes too far. And all you do is mist it in there. It'll loosen up any mucus and you can wipe it right away. So this is a lifesaver, whether or not you have a kid or not. Even for adults, it's a lifesaver. Definitely recommend this, and that is my point of view.